Hello everyone, I'm Itamar and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're gonna be learning how to count from 0 to 9 with TME Education's board, Arduino based. That's our board. We're going to be using the 7-segment display that is over here on this side of the board, the 7-segment display. Okay, and that's the Arduino Uno. Our board is Arduino based, and the Arduino is the brain of this board. Okay, now I'm going to show you the sketch of today's tutorial, but before that, okay, we need to connect the cable. Okay, we need to connect the board with our laptop. It's done. Now let me show you the sketch, okay, that we're gonna be using for counting from 0 to 9. That's our sketch, guys. Okay, the sketch. Let me show you the sketch. Okay. This is the sketch, guys, for today's tutorial. So we need to install the this library, and for you to install it, you need to go to tools, to sketch, then you click on, then you go to include library, and you click on manage libraries. Okay, libraries, and you're gonna get you're gonna see this. Okay, now from here you type, okay, this and MCP, okay, and that's our library. Okay, here we have the this object, okay, seg7, and with here an array, okay, of 10 elements, because we're gonna be counting from 0 to 9. Okay, so that's the with here bytes. Okay, so that's 0, that's 1, 2 from 2 9. So in void setup, we are saying that the pins from 0 to 7 are our output pins, okay, on Arduino Uno. And so then in void loop we are counting from 0 to 9 using the function write GPIO function, and the parameter of this function is the array of 10 elements. Okay, this array that contains the bits. Okay guys, so now we are ready to upload our program. You go to tools and you choose the boards. Okay, the board, okay, the right board is Arduino. Let me see. Okay, is Arduino Uno. And the tools, again, go to tools and you choose the port. Okay, con 6. Now we are ready to upload the program. Okay, I think it's almost done. Okay, it's done. Now we're gonna see the outcome, okay, of we go to, as you can see here, okay, we are count from 0 to 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0. Okay. So guys, thank you so much, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.